make sure that before you buy them, they need to have this prong sticking out in the back, because it's very important for it to go into this hole so it can stay there firmly in there. So it's gonna look something like this, as you can see. They stick out, and a few of them have like a hook type to it. So all you need to do is just put it on there, just press on it hard enough so it can pop into place. Alright guys, and as you can see, with a lot of elbow grease, just finally made it in there. Yeah, this rubber is very hard, so it takes a little bit for the prong to go all the way through the hole and then catch on. Looks almost as new. Alright guys, thank you for watching.